with expanded clinical, pharmacologic, and mechanistic detail. Nelfinavir Comprehensive Detailed Drug Monograph. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, dosage forms. Generic name, Nelfinavir mesylate. Drug class, antiretroviral agent, protease inhibitor, PI, HIV-1 specific. Brand name, Viracept, widely used historically. Availability varies across countries. Dosage forms, oral tablet, 250 milligrams, 625 milligrams. Oral powder, 50 milligrams of dream powder for oral suspension. Oral formulations must be taken with food for optimal absorption. Number 2, definition. Nelfinavir is a selective HIV-1 protease inhibitor used in combination antiretroviral therapy, CART, to prevent replication of the human immunodeficiency virus type 1, HIV-1. It suppresses viral load, increases CD4 cell counts, and slows HIV disease progression. It was widely used in early RT regimens, but is now less common due to newer agents with better safety profiles. Number 3, mechanism of action, MOA. HIV protease is responsible for cleaving the HIV GAG and GAG-PAL polyproteins into functional structural proteins and enzymes required to form mature infectious virions. Nelfinavir's mechanism. Nelfinavir binds to the active site of HIV-1 protease. It prevents proteolytic cleavage of viral polyproteins. This leads to the production of immature, non-infectious viral particles. Viral replication and infectivity are significantly reduced. Additional notes: does not inhibit human proteases, often combined with NRTIs like zidovudine, lamivudine, for synergistic effect. Resistance mutations commonly occur at D30N and L90M in the protease gene. Number 4, pharmacokinetics PK, highly detailed. Absorption, rapidly absorbed after oral administration. Bioavailability increases by 2 to 5-fold with food, especially high-fat meals. Distribution, open quote, 98% protein bound, mainly albumin and alpha-1 acid glycoprotein, close quote. Large volume of distribution. Metabolism, extensively metabolized in the liver. Major pathways, CYP-C19 primary, CYP3A4 secondary, produces one major active metabolite, M8, which also inhibits HIV protease. Elimination, predominantly via feces as metabolites, 87%, less than 2% excreted unchanged in urine. Half-life, parent drug, 3.5 hours, active metabolite M8, similar half-life, requires multiple daily dosing for sustained plasma levels. Number 5, uses. Management of HIV-1 infection in adults and pediatric patients, close to 2 years. Always used in combination with other antiretrovirals to prevent resistance. Historically used in pregnancy due to a favorable safety profile. Number 6, indications. Indicated for treatment of HIV-1 infection in combination therapy, SART. Not used as monotherapy. Not indicated for HIV-2, post-exposure prophylaxis PEP, pre-exposure prophylaxis PrEP. Number 7, contraindications. Absolute contraindications. Hypersensitivity to Nelfinavir or formulation components. Concurrent use of drugs highly dependent on CYP3A4 for clearance, including ergot derivatives, ergotamine, dihydroergotamine, antiarrhythmics, amiodarone, quinidine, sedatives, midazolam, triazolam, antipsychotics, pymazide, antimotility, cisapride, rifampin, strong CYA4 inducer, drastically lowers Nelfinavir levels, Staint, John's wort, cholesterol drugs, lovastatin, simvastatin. Serious reactions include cardiac arrhythmias, toxicity, or subtherapeutic levels leading to resistance. Number 8, before taking this medicine, precautions. Tell your doctor if you have liver disease, including hepatitis B or C, diabetes or insulin resistance, PI class effects, hyperglycemia, hemophilia, risk of increased bleeding, kidney disease, chronic diarrhea or GI disorders, drug causes significant diarrhea, hyperlipidemia, pregnancy, generally safe, but 2-dose regimens may vary. Pregnancy, historically preferred PI due to lower teratogenic risk, still requires monitoring of glucose and liver function. Breastfeeding, not recommended for HIV-positive individuals due to transmission risk. Other precautions, risk of immune reconstitution inflammatory syndrome, IRIS, after starting therapy, may redistribute fat, lipodystrophy. Number 9, Howdy administration. Administration, take with food, absolutely required for optimal absorption. Do not take with acidic foods, juices if using powder. Tablets, swallow whole with a meal. If you cannot swallow, 250 milligrams tablets may be dissolved in water. Powder, mix with water, milk, infant formula, soft foods, pudding, yogurt, Do not mix with acidic liquids, orange juice, apple juice. These degrade Nelfinavir. Number 10, dosing information. Adults, 1,250 milligrams orally twice daily with food, or 750 milligrams orally 3 times daily with food. Pediatric, weight-based dosing, 20 to 30 milligram kilogram 3 times daily, or 45 to 55 milligram kilogram twice daily. Adjust for formulation, powder versus tablet. Hepatic impairment, use with caution. Monitor liver function tests. Moderate to severe hepatic disease may require dosing alteration. Renal impairment, no major adjustment needed, minimal renal clearance. Number 11, misdose and overdose. Misdose, take as soon as remembered with food. If near the next dose time, skip the misdose. Do not double the dose. Overdose symptoms, severe diarrhea, nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain, dizziness, possible metabolic complications, high blood sugar. Seek emergency care immediately. Number 12, stop or avoid taking if stop Nelfinavir and contact a doctor if severe or blistering rash, signs of liver failure, jaundice, dark urine, or UQ pain, severe persistent diarrhea leading to dehydration, signs of pancreatitis, severe abdominal pain, uncontrolled hyperglycemia, allergic reactions, swelling, difficulty breathing. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects, diarrhea, very common. Hallmark side effect, gas, bloating, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting. Fat redistribution, buffalo hump, central obesity, loss of peripheral fat, increased cholesterol and triglycerides. Serious side effects, hepatotoxicity, hyperglycemia, insulin resistance, new onset diabetes, immune reconstitution, inflammatory syndrome, IRIS, bleeding in hemophiliacs, kidney stones, rare, hypersensitivity reactions. Number 14, vital information, key points to remember. Must always be taken with other antiretrovirals. Must always be taken with food. Strong potential for drug interactions. Requires routine monitoring, viral load, CD4 count, liver enzymes, lipid panel, blood glucose. Adherence is essential to prevent drug resistance. Number 15, other drugs that affect Nelfinavir. Increased Nelfinavir levels, inhibitors of CYP3A4, ketoconazole, itraconazole, clarithromycin, ritonavir when used as a booster, erythromycin, decreased Nelfinavir levels, inducers of CYP3A4, rifampin, contraindicated, rifabutin, carbamazepine, phenytoin, phenobarbital, St. John's wort, contraindicated. Serious interaction risks, benzodiazepines, midazolam, triazolam, excess sedation, statins, simvastatin, lovastatin, rhabdomyolysis risk, PDE5 inhibitors, sildenafil, tadalafil, need dose reduction, oral contraceptives, reduced effectiveness, need backup contraception. Thank you. Have a nice day.